This sheet of paper costs less than 1 penny. If you crumple it up, it's trash. But if you know how to manipulate it, cut it, or pulp it, this 1 penny can turn into a $5 product that is 500% markup. While everyone else is fighting over AI and drop shipping, the tactile industry is quietly booming. People are tired of screens, they want things they can touch. Today, we're sharing 10 unique businesses based on paper. And for the top 3, we're going to do the napkin math on screen to prove that paper isn't just a hobby, it's a high margin supply chain that can help you make real money. The first business idea is handmade paper stationery. Handmade stationery is a booming market, especially with the rise of eco-friendly and sustainable products. You can create notebooks, journals, greeting cards, or custom paper goods made from recycled or plant-based materials. The personalization of stationery items such as embossing or adding custom artwork can set your products apart. Your listings can include eco-friendly journals made from recycled paper, custom wedding invitation, personalized thank you cards with unique designs. People love personalized items, and eco-conscious consumers are always on the lookout for sustainable products. Offering customization for special events such as weddings or business branding makes your business stand out while allowing you to charge a premium. For this business example, you can make handmade decor edge paper. The wedding industry is obsessed with ragged edge look. It's called decor edge. You can even make it for free using old junk mails. Standard cardstock invite sells for $2. Handmade textured paper sells for about $6 to $10 per sheet. You are literally turning your recycled bin into luxury wedding goods. The supply chain is your own trash can. The second idea is origami art and sculpture. Origami is not just a fun hobby, it can be turned into a profitable business. There's a growing market for decorative origami sculpture, custom art pieces, and even corporate gifts. You can also sell origami kits or tutorials to teach others this art form. Your products for sale can include custom origami sculptures for home decor, wedding and event origami decorations, and origami tutorials or DIY kits for beginners. Origami is unique, artistic, and can be marketed as a luxury product due to its intricate craftsmanship. With the growing demand in home decor and the DIY space, selling both finished goods and kits offer multiple revenue streams. Handmade paper jewelry is the next idea. If you think jewelry must be made from precious metals or gems, think again. Handcrafted paper jewelry is a trendy and eco-friendly option for fashion-conscious individuals. The lightweight nature of the paper jewelry makes it comfortable to wear, and you can experiment with various colors, textures, and patterns to create unique pieces. Sell paper bead necklace and bracelets, quilling earring with intricate designs, and custom bridal paper jewelry. Paper jewelry is sustainable and affordable to produce, yet it can be sold at a premium when marketed as eco-friendly and artisanal. Each piece can be customized, allowing you to cater to niche markets such as weddings or fashion enthusiasts. The fourth idea, and one of our top ideas, is custom paper flowers. Artificial flowers have been popular for years, but custom paper flowers are a fresh, trendy alternative. These flowers are perfect for events like weddings, parties, or home decorations. They last longer than real flowers and can be tailored to fit any theme or color scheme. Your product listing can include custom paper flower bouquets for weddings, large-scale paper flower backdrop for events, and paper flower centerpiece for home decor. People are looking for unique ways to decorate their homes and events, and paper flowers provide a stunning low-maintenance option. You can also collaborate with event planners, florists, or wedding vendors to expand your customer base. To get the highest profit margin, you need to consider large-scale paper florals. We're not talking about small origamis, we're talking about giant event backdrops. Here is the math. A pack of high-quality cardstock costs about $15. Glue and wire cost $5. You spend about 3 hours building a 6-foot flower wall. You don't sell the wall, you rent it. You rent that backdrop to a bride for about $500. Then you pick it up, dust it off, and rent it to a baby shower next week for another $500. Your material cost was $20. However, your return is infinite as long as you keep the flowers dry. Now here's the catch: storage. These things are huge and fragile. You will need a garage or storage unit. If you live in a tiny studio apartment, this may not be the best business idea for you unless you're willing to invest in a storage unit, which will be an additional cost monthly. The next idea is artistic paper calligraphy. Calligraphy has made a comeback in recent years, especially for weddings, events, and home decors. By offering hand-drawn calligraphy services, you can create everything from wedding invitations and signage to frame quotes for wall art. For your business, you can sell custom wedding invitation with calligraphy, frame calligraphy quotes for home decor, calligraphy workshops, and tutorials. This works because calligraphy is a specialized skill that not many people have, allowing you to charge a premium for your services. Also, with the rise of DIY enthusiasts like myself, selling tutorials or kits can create a passive income stream. Another idea is paper-based home organization solutions. Home organization has exploded in popularity thanks to influencers promoting tidy living spaces. You can create paper-based organizational products such as planners, to-do lists, meal planners, or even digital downloads for printable solutions. You can sell custom planners and journals for home organization, printable to-do lists and meal planners for a specialized group like busy moms or individuals with ADHD or OCD, and also digital download templates for budgeting and scheduling. Customers are always looking for ways to improve their productivity and organization. Offering digital downloads reduce inventory costs while allowing you to reach a global audience. Custom paper planners can also be marketed as gift items. The next idea is paper-based children products. Parents and educators are always on the lookout for fun and educational products for their children. By creating paper-based toys, games, or educational kits, you can tap into the lucrative children's market. Think educational flashcards, pop-up books, or paper craft products. Your website or shop can include educational paper flashcards, custom pop-up books, and paper crafting kits for kids. The children's market is large and consistently evolving. Parents appreciate products that keep their kids engaged while being eco-friendly. Educational products like flashcards are always in demand and can be sold online or in collaboration with schools. I used to work as an accountant at a school district, so I know that educational products like flashcards are always in demand and can be sold online or in collaborations with schools. The next idea is event paper decor and backdrops. For those with a flair for design, creating large-scale paper decor for events can be highly profitable. From paper garlands to full event backdrops, you can offer custom creations for weddings, corporate events, and parties. For your small business, you can sell custom paper garlands for weddings, large-scale paper backdrops for photo shoots, and paper table setting and centerpieces. Event planners are always looking for affordable yet stunning decor options. Paper products are lightweight and versatile, making them ideal. Offering customization based on event themes or colors can attract high-paying clients. The ninth idea is paper recycling services. For the eco-conscious entrepreneurs, starting a small business that focuses on paper recycling can be both impactful and profitable. You can offer paper shredding or recycling services to local businesses or turn recycled paper into new products such as handmade paper goods or packaging materials. Your products can include paper recycling services for businesses, handmade recycled paper products, and handmade recycled packaging solutions for eco-friendly brands. Sustainability is a growing concern, and businesses are usually willing to pay for services that help reduce their environmental footprints. Also, recycled products are in high demand for eco-conscious consumers and companies. The final idea, and also one of our top 3 business ideas, is custom paper gift wrapping and packaging. Gift giving is an evergreen market, and offering custom paper gift wrapping services can be a lucrative venture. With the holiday season here, birthdays and special events year-round, people are always looking for unique and beautiful ways to present their gifts. Sell custom gift wrapping services for holidays and special events, eco-friendly custom design wrapping paper, personalized gift tags and packaging. Custom gift wrapping add value to gifts, and many people are willing to pay for premium services, especially during the holiday season. People also love to unbox aesthetic-looking gifts. By offering eco-friendly or personalized option, you can differentiate your business and attract more customers. Listen, every small business on TikTok need their unboxing experience to look good. You don't need a factory. What you can do is buy bulk tissue papers for penny, get a custom rubber stamp made with a brand's logo for about $30 one-time cost. Then manually stamp 100 sheets of tissue paper. If this video gave you an idea today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend or someone who have lost their 9-to-5 and is looking for financial freedom. Comment paper if you enjoyed today's video or find it inspiring. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep believing in yourself. You got this.